everyone! I've got apples and bananas today. Good morning, everyone! I've got apples and bananas today.
Apples so red, bananas so sweet. I've got to peel the banana. Mix it in, la 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 la.
Bananas. Flour. Scoop it in, nice and neat.
Soon we'll have a tasty treat.
Muffins on the table now. Let's eat them all, wow, wow, wow. Bite, chew, and smile so wide. Healthy snacks make me feel inside. One for you, one for me. Sharing's the best, you see. Bananas yellow, soft and sweet. They're my favorite treat to eat.
Look what I made! Oh, so cute! A smiling, happy fruit.
Muffins, bananas, apples too. Eating healthy feels so new.
Apple so red, big and round. Best snack I've ever found.
Catch the apple, pass it quick. Sharing snacks is my top trick.
Crunchy apples, sweet and bright. They make me feel just right. Yummy banana. Good doggy.
Cheers to a sunny day.
Hooray! Today's menu. Muffin faces, looking sweet. They're the funniest treats to eat.
Guess the snack, it's in my hand. It's the best in all the land. A day of snacks, a day of cheer. I'm so glad we were all here. Muffins and bananas, apples too. Eating healthy is fun for you.